In this episode, we are going to be learning about a vac pack machine. We're going to be taking some strawberries and we're going to macerate these in some balsamic syrup. It's going to be amazing. Stick around, you're going to want to see this. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to use one of these, which is a vac pack machine, which is absolutely essential for sous vide cooking. We're not doing any sous vide cooking today, but I have got a sous vide playlist which is coming up, so look out for that. So if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But on a serious note, if you haven't liked, subscribed or commented, please do. I'll be really grateful. Thank you. So this video isn't really about the macerated strawberries, although they are so delicious. It's more about the vac pack machine. So this one I've got, as you can see, you've got a sous vide bag at the back. You've got some buttons, you've got stop, wet, dry, normal. And if you look inside, you've got the heating element and you've also got a handy little tray, which means if you lose any liquid out of the bag, it'll catch that and you can wash it up, which keeps this nice and clean, which is absolutely amazing. So guys, we're going to dive straight in. Everything you'll need for this recipe is right here. Don't worry if you missed these ingredients, I will be putting these in the info box below. So check out down there and you can catch them all down there. The first thing you'll need to do is to grab a saucepan. I'm going to pop it there and we're going to light this under a low heat. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our balsamic vinegar and our sugar. We're going to pop those in there like that and we're just going to give that a nice stir. So once the sugar's all dissolved in our balsamic vinegar, then take a rat coolie thing, I'm going to pop that there and we're going to bring across our saucepan and place it there. Now what we need to do is we need to take a cold glass jug and we're going to pour our syrup into there just like that. And what that will do is that will help it to go cold. We're just going to pop this over there in the sink. What we need to do now is we need to pull our sous vide bag through, which I reckon we need about that, and we're going to cut straight through. As you can see, we've got a sleeve, but what we're going to do is we're going to open our machine, close it, and seal that. Lovely. What we need to do now is we need to take our strawberries, pop those there, and we're going to pop these all into our bag. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to just take our syrup and we're going to pour this all over our strawberries. Lovely. So now that we've poured our syrup in our bag as well, we're going to put that up into our vac machine. We're going to close it and we're going to press vac. So what that's doing is sucking all the air out of it, and it's also going to push some of that delicious syrup into the strawberries. I'm just going to open that up. As you can see, our strawberries are macerating in our balsamic syrup, and these will be ready in about 15 to 20 minutes. So see you in 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, our strawberries have been in the pouch with the balsamic syrup for about 15 to 20 minutes now. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a plate, we're going to take our bag, and all we're going to do is open this up. They are so good. So yeah, that's how you use a vac pack machine. It's really easy to use and absolutely essential for sous vide cooking. I've got a really good sous vide playlist coming up. The first recipe's coming out next week. But in the meantime, guys, take care of yourselves, happy cooking, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. So yeah, that's how you use a vac pack machine for sous vide. Really simple to do. Let me. What? Oh. What's the matter?